In this example, we will find solutions to the equation 2 times x minus 3 squared minus 8 equals 0. In this problem, to solve for x, we have to undo 4 operations, which are first we subtract 3 from x, and then we square it, next we multiply by 2, and finally we subtract 8 to get 0. Like we learned from Frog and Toad, to undo these operations, we want to undo them in the opposite order. So first we undo subtracting 8 by adding 8, undo multiplying by 2 by dividing by 2, undo squaring by taking the square root, and finally undo subtracting 3 by adding 3. So the place we want to start is by adding 8 to both sides. This gives us 2 times x minus 3 squared minus 8 plus 8 equals 0 plus 8, which is 8. And on the left, we have 2 times x minus 3 squared, because minus 8 plus 8 is 0. Next, we need to divide by 2. This gives us 2 times x minus 3 squared divided by 2 equals 8 divided by 2. And 8 divided by 2 is just 4. While on the left, 2 divided by 2 is 1, so we have x minus 3 squared. So we're left with the equation x minus 3 squared equals 4. Now, the next thing we need to do is take the square root of both sides to undo the squaring. This gives us the square root of x minus 3 squared equals the square root of 4, which is 2. And on the left, the square root of x minus 3 squared is the absolute value of x minus 3. If you would like to be reminded why this is not just x minus 3, you can click the purple link now. And because the absolute value of x minus 3 equals 2, we know that x minus 3 itself must be plus or minus 2. This equation we can solve by adding 3 to both sides, so we just get x on the left. So adding 3 to both sides gives the solution x equals 3 plus or minus 2. And 3 plus 2 is 5, while 3 minus 2 is 1. So the solutions are x is either 1 or 5.